So I'm going to show you how to enable and also how to disable emergency SOS service on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you go into settings, and then under settings, you go to safety and emergency, tap on that, and then you should see emergency SOS. You can tap on that, and then this is where you can enable or disable the emergency SOS. Okay. Now, once you enable, you can go ahead and customize. So for instance, you have call emergency services for your country, which is already enabled. And then also you can share info with emergency contacts. So if you've already set up your emergency contacts, which you should, if you haven't, you can actually have them get notified when you make an emergency SOS call. And you can also record emergency videos. So anytime you press the emergency button, and let's see what that emergency button is. So if you come here, choose try demo, how to start an emergency SOS. So basically you press this button 5 times. So you can see, bear in mind that this is a simulation and nothing is going to happen. So let's tap on next, and it says you press 5 times on the power button. So let's try that. There you go. And that's the emergency SOS. And then you touch and hold, and that's going to make your emergency SOS call. So that's basically it, and that's just a simulation. I can go back now and try and see if it works. There you go. Then you touch and hold, and then it's going to start making your SOS call, as you can see. So I'm going to quickly cancel that. So that's basically how to enable that. Now to disable, you simply go back to that safety and emergency setting, go to emergency SOS, and you want to go ahead and turn that off from there. All right. And you can switch off everything else. Thanks for watching and good luck.